Okay, what are the stages of promotion? So here we have the stages of promotion: discovery of an idea, detailed investigation, assembling the requirements, financing proposition. That means in the promotion stage, so while we are going as a promotion stage, we need to discuss all the four stages in the promotion, because promotion is the first step in the incorporation of a company. So in that promotion we have to discuss all the stages. So what are these stages? For first one, discovery of an idea. So before going for promotion, first of all, the person, that means the person whoever is going to start a company, right? So first of all, he need to go with the idea, that means which company, that means which company he has to start. First, for that thing, he need to go for various research and various opportunities. So what type of business he wants to start, so which type of concept he wants to choose. So depends on the concept and depends on the type of business, he has to decide whether he will get the profit on that or not. So he has to go for all the research of the resources which are profitable or which are used like an investment to his business. So all these profitable revenues and all these profitable resources, he has to choose and he has to research with that, and then he has to take a step for an idea, or he has to take a step for an idea, or he has to take a concept which suits to his business to start the company. So he has to go for the research and analysis to start a company. So that is about discovery of an idea. So after discovering an idea or a concept, he has to go for the detailed investigation about that topic in a about that concept or a topic in a practical point of view, because here in this stage he has to decide to choose the promoters, because promoters are very important. So promoters, they'll know about the concept, or they'll know about the present situation of a market, about the product, right? So if whatever the product you are choosing, so for the same product, if there is what is the demand in the market. So if it is a new product or new concept whichever is not existed, so it's different matter. But if the product is already existed in the already is there in the market, then what is the demand of that product in the market, and what type of thoughts you have to go with that, how such improvement should be there in the demands of that particular product, you have to decide in this investigation. So for this investigation of process, you need to appoint the promoters in the company. So and at the same time you need to arrange the various finances, that means what type of, how much finance and how much demand is there, how much raw material is needed for your product. That means all the factors of production you have to choose at one place. That means all the factors of production whichever is used to start your operations in the company, so you have to decide and you have to gather all the factors of production at one place. Depends on the opinions whichever has to be taken by the experts, financial experts, or the skilled persons, or from the promoters, right? So after completion of the detailed investigation, here you have to assemble all the requirements. That means whatever the investigation process you have done in the previous stage, second stage, whatever the process you have done in this investigation stage, then you have to go for the requirements. That means whatever the points you have collected in that investigation stage, you have to assemble all the requirements at this stage. That means all the factors of production you have to assemble, or you have to gather at this place, that whatever the factory place, plant and machinery, or the suppliers, or the raw material, or the organization. So all those factors of production you need to gather at one place. So whenever you gather by having an advice or by having a option of promoters at one place, then you can able to know whether it is convenient or comfortable to start the company or not. You can decide whenever the requirements are there at one place, right? So after gathering all the requirements at one place, then you have to go for the last step, that is financing proposition. Because here whenever you are starting the business, the capital or the finance is very much needed, right? So whenever you are starting off a company, finance is very important. So even in the promotion stage, here the promoter will decide about the capital structure of a company. That means how the capital and how much capital or how much the finance is needed for fixed assets, and for for fixed assets, for current assets, for labor or for skilled management, and for shares or for loans, how much is needed, how much finance is needed. So everything will be decided by the promoter, and promoter will give you a what he will give you an idea about all the finance, what is the exact cost of capital and finance required by you, right? So here whenever the money has been there, so here the capital is issued. We know that the finance is raised in different type of what in different type of use. Why? Because here the finance may come from the shares of a company. The finance, the person he can get the loans from the banks or from the financial institutions or from the working capital, or you can take the loan from non-banking financial services. Non-banking financial services, that means from the relatives or from the friends he can get the money. So all these financial requirements here the person has to collect, either it is for short-term period or for the long-term period, because the finance is very much requirement in starting of a company. So here he has to sell the shares of a company. So by selling the shares of a company also he can get the sharing capital, right? So the finance requirement here in the fourth stage we have taken the finance under the promotion, right? So in the next stage, we have this what in the last stage we decided about the finance of a proposition. What is the finance of a company, what is the finance required by the company, we have decided in the fourth stage. So in that previous we have gathered all the requirements. That means here we decided about the factors of a production. So in the previous one we decided about what is the investigation. That means about how much raw material is needed and what type of factors of production is needed, we decided in this investigation. So in the first step we have decided about the idea or the concept of a starting concept or idea of a company. So all these steps have been there in the promotion stages of a promotion, right? So here this is the promotion of a company. So first stage is completed, right? Promotion of a company. So in the next session we'll discuss about the registration, certificate of incorporation, and commencement of business. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for listening my class, and be stay safe and stay home. Thank you.